Crypto Moose, and the moose is loose. Let's get into it. What I want to do is talk about Cardano, because what the heck else are we going to do here in the channel? Of course, we could talk about some Bitcoin, but it's not even at 30 grand. Cardano right now is up 75% on the year. And by the way, as you may know, Crypto Moose bought right here. I bought the dip of the dip of the dip. Okay? Not just because I'm a savage, but because I'm well informed and educated and come up with my own decisions. And we also have a masterclass coming out. So stay tuned for that. Please smash the like button if you'd like as well. Would love for you guys to smash the like button, subscribe, and be a part, because we have tons of content coming out. We've got tons of educational content. We already have a ton, right? Go to Crypto Moose, check out the channel. Look at this. We've produced 130 videos almost in like 1 year. Okay, so look at this. If you want to learn how to use certain dexes, how to buy COTI, how to do anything and everything crypto related, you better subscribe. It's to help yourself out. Look at that. Now, I'm going to be honest. I did buy as well way up here at like $2.50. So that wasn't good. But at the end of the day, I was catching all these times we dipped because I'm DCAing. And of course, I'm not telling you to do this. You do whatever you want to do, but listen to what I have to say and watch other channels and come up with your own informed decisions, right? But we also don't know if we're going to go higher from here. So there's probably still going to be another opportunity, okay, for us to do well in terms of buying even more of the dips. So if we do go lower, that's going to be another accumulation period. And one thing I wanted to mention, I'm going to have to do a video on it. CoinMarketCap has just improved their website tremendously. Okay? Look at this. It even shows here 77% of the circulating supply. Like, there's little nuances that I've been noticing about CoinMarketCap, and I'll get into that in a different video. Comment down below if you agree. Perhaps some of you are using CoinGecko or a different service. I do not know. But definitely, CoinMarketCap has been looking a lot better. So taking a look at Cardano, there's also a couple articles that I've seen on Google, but the Motley Fool, they're talking about how Cardano is up 75%, its growth potential, and it is doing well. And that's because it is a proof-of-stake blockchain. I mean, look at all these different wallets that I have set up. I've got Yorois, Namis, I've got different accounts here. But what's so great about Cardano is that the transaction costs are very cheap. The NFTs are very simple to get into. And that's what I like about Cardano. And I think it's just going to do very well the next bull run. So not telling you to do it, but I think getting in now is still a great time. We're up 75%. We're going to be going up much higher. As you saw, we suffered a very large dip. So comment down below what other projects that you'd like to see us cover. Which other projects do you like? I just wanted to mention that we are up and we're doing well. In terms of market cap, I've been saying that Cardano should be a $500 billion market cap. We're at 15 billion right now, okay? Or if you take it conservatively, I think we should be at where Ethereum is today. Okay, so that's well over a 10x. I think Cardano should go back to $3 to $5 next bull run, perhaps sooner, and I'll definitely be taking some profits. But at the end of the day, I'm going to be staking and delegating my ADA for the long term. So definitely, guys, subscribe, check out the other videos. I just did a video explaining Cardano staking, what is an ISPO, what is staking. I show you how to zap, how to provide liquidity to stake pools. This is the best channel on YouTube. I am biased because it is my channel. But anyways, at the end of the day, keep stacking, get yourself a hardware wallet. If it's not your keys, for sure it ain't your cheese.